Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the insert key on MSI Stealth. Use the insert key, I'm gonna show you that. On the keyboard you can just click on it, it is here. And I'm gonna show you how it works in the system. So I'm gonna open a notepad because insert key is for text. And as I type in, let's open a new tab. As I type in, for example, name and a few dots, then as I position my cursor at the beginning of these dots, if I don't click on insert, then as I type something in, you can see that it shifts the dots. But if I instead click on insert key before, you can see it replaces the dots. Then I can click on insert key again, click on the beginning here, and now type in something like, I think I wanted, the surname. Then you can see it shifts, but as I position my cursor again at the beginning and click on insert, I can type in H and it replaces the sir with H. Then I click on delete key to delete the name, and that's how it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.